Hello everyone, this is me Sumana and you are watching my video. Today I am gonna show you what I carry in my school or office bag. So without doing further delay, let's get started. The first thing that is very important nowadays is sanitizer. So sanitizer is compulsory. Another is tissue, and I never forget to carry this in my bag. Situation is getting worse day by day, so mask is compulsory. And this is my cute little mirror which I bought from Masala Beach. So this is my lip care which I never forget to carry, mostly in winter days. And अर्को छ यो चाहिँ हाम्रो घरको चाबी. And ह्यान्डी प्लास चाहिँ मेरो ब्यागमा सधैँ हुन्छ, कहिले पनि टुट्दैन. Now let's move on to another space. पहिला यो साइडको निकालौं, त्यसपछि फर्स्टमा So this is my college notes. म चाहिँ कलेज र अफिसमा एउटा ब्याग बोक्ने भएको भएर सबै एकै ठाउँमा छ. यो चाहिँ मेरो कलेजको नोट्स. अनि here is my purse जसमा चाहिँ पैसा छैन. And this is a little purse where I put my Tipex, pencils, highlighter, and pen. So यो चाहिँ मेरो स्टेशनरी प्रोडक्टहरु राख्नको लागि म युज गर्छु. अनि अब चाहिँ guess what? Let's have some cookies. So here I put some essential touch-up kits. अब चाहिँ let's have a look on another compartment. यो चाहिँ सबै सक्यो. This is my GoPro charger. अनि lastly चाहिँ this is my favorite laptop, Acer Nitro 5, which I usually carry for my office work and editing. अरु बेलामा प्राय बोक्दिन, कहिलेकाहीँ कामहरु भएको बेला मात्र बोक्छु. र लास्टली यो चाहिँ मेरो प्यारो मोबाइल. Okay, so guys, these are the things that I carry in my bag. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next vlog. Stay safe. Bye.